Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. Now you may be asking, how can I have something delicious, refreshing, and without meat, right? Chef Ali is here to help us out. Chef, what are we making today?
We're making my famous Southwestern Quinoa Salad with smoked chili cumin vinaigrette.
Ooh, Chef. All right, how do we make it?
All right, so we're gonna start off with the quinoa right here.
The star of the show?
Yes, star of the show. We're gonna go in with some of this edamame right here.
That looks delicious. I love the color.
Some black beans, absolutely. Color is everything we eat with our eyes, right? We're going with some of this sweet crisp corn, a little bit of that. Going in with our peppers, our green and our reds. Going in with our chickpeas, adding another level of protein right there. Some red onions, adding some sharp sweetness.
This is everything I love, Chef.
Yes, yes, yes. We got some cilantro right there. And then we have our tomatoes.
Delicious.
And then we got this right here.
So this is the dressing. What did you mix in there?
So this dressing right here is actually a smoked chili cumin vinaigrette.
I love that. All right, Chef, I'm gonna try it. Can I try while you're mixing?
Go right on ahead and try it. Tell me what you like.
Oh my God, this is delicious. Chef, how did you get into food? Where did your love for food come from?
My love for food came from watching my friends and my family get in trouble in the streets. I'm from the east side of Buffalo, getting into stuff with the law, and picking up a spatula and a knife it saved my life.
Tell us some other dishes that are your favorite to make.
My fish tacos, man. My fish tacos is one of my favorites to make, and my seafood wings, as well as my jambalaya meatballs.
Let me tell you, you need to try this and some of everything he just mentioned. Go to wkbw.com/7life to get the recipe. I'm so busy chewing, I can't even talk. Chef, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.